Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Magento VPS using backup strategy and restore detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of withdrawing from your Magento VPS using a backup strategy, you should start by accessing your server. Log into your Magento VPS using SSH. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform backup and restore actions. Navigate to the directory where your Magento installation is located. Before proceeding, it's important to create a full backup of your Magento files and database. Use the command to compress your Magento files into a single archive file for easier transfer. Be sure to include the app, lib, pub, and var directories in your backup. Next, export your Magento database using the MySQL command. Make sure to note the database name, username, and password. Use a secure method to transfer your backup files to a secure location or local machine. Confirm that all files have been successfully transferred. After securing your backup, you can safely prepare for the withdrawal from the VPS. If you plan to set up a new environment, ensure the new server meets Magento's requirements. Once your new server is ready, log into that environment. Transfer the backup files from your secure location to the new server. Extract the backup files in the appropriate directory. Import your database into the new server's MySQL setup using the command you previously noted. After the database import is complete, configure your Magento installation on the new server. Edit your app/etc/env.php file to reflect the new database credentials. Check your Magento installation for any errors or missing dependencies. Run the necessary commands to update and compile Magento. Once everything is set up, perform tests to ensure that your store is functioning correctly. Finally, if everything looks good, you can proceed to decommission your old VPS. Make sure to monitor the new environment for any unforeseen issues after the migration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.